Hello everyone, it's Lindsay, and today we're unboxing the newest Faith Art box from Creative Retreat Kits. This is for the month of January. I'm a little late getting my unboxing up. We had some hangups with the holidays, and I was super busy, but here we are. We're getting it all taken care of today, and this kit is now available. I will have the affiliate links down below in the description box for you guys if you want to order it. And for color swatching, I will have all different mediums color matched to the kit this month over on my Instagram, so check out the corresponding post for today's video over at LindseyDecor 413, and there will be all the color swatches for you guys. I'm a little busy this week, so I won't have a blog up in time, but you can find those swatches over there. So let's dive right in and take a look at everything that comes in the kit this month and what it's going to be about. So this kit is titled Who Do You Say I Am? And the devotional content is written by Danielle. If you didn't realize, Danielle is the creator, owner, brains, heart, Christ lover behind Creative Retreat Kits, and so she is doing the devotional content this month. I have to say I'm really intrigued with her devotional content this month and how she kind of approached this topic. I'm really excited and kind of got me thinking in a different way. And so she's talking about kind of Jesus revealing himself to the people and to his followers and how he did that. And it wasn't just a simple, hello, welcome, I'm Jesus. He proved who he was through his actions and the way that he lived his life here on earth. And she compares that to how a teacher teaches somebody something. They don't just say, 2 + 2 is 4. They're going to show you how that is and how, give you the proof and show you through practice and things like that. And so I love that she kind of connects it in that way. I think that's really unique. I've never seen a devotional kind of approach it that way before. I'm sure that they're out there and I've read very many, but I've just never seen this take on it. And so I'm excited to kind of dive in. She's got lots and lots and lots of scripture for us and references as we dive into who is Jesus and how was that revealed to us. You've got plenty of reflection questions over here to help you kind of connect with the devotional content. I typically like to read through the content, look at the scripture, kind of do my own takeaways first, and then I come over to the reflection questions just to see if maybe they're gonna, direct me a different way than I initially thought or point something out that I didn't pick up the first time. And that's just kind of my process for working through these devotionals. I do enjoy that it's a shorter devotional, so you can, there's plenty of verses, so if you want to take it through the whole month, you definitely can. But if you are somebody who is, doing that, 9 to 5 and a mom and a wife and all the crazy, you can still be able to squeeze in a little bit of devotional time in the month and not be overwhelmed with a giant devotional. So that is going to be the devotional content. And then on the back side, we've got our printed cardstock. So once you are done with the devotional, or if you want to take a picture of this, scan this into your computer, something like that beforehand, then you can cut apart and use the printed cardstock on the back. So I love that she is making everything usable in the kit. Nothing goes to waste. So I love cutting tabs out, different shapes, creating, book cover, like mini book covers, tip-ins, journaling cards, things like that out of this cardstock on the back. And so as you can imagine, Who Do You Say I Am? Who is going to have some owls. So there's definitely a sweet owl theme in the kit this month. Super adorable. My son Aiden loves owls, so every time I see them, it just makes me think of him and his love of that. And the color scheme is super fun and feminine this month. I love this kind of color vibe. It's a little wintry, but still fun. So here is a look at the 3x4 stamp set that you get with the kit this month. You've got plenty of words and phrases where you can mix and match and create your own titles. So who do you say I am? Or you could do I am who you say I am. There's that song out there that's pretty popular right now that you could journal those lyrics. I will put the song link down below when I figure out the name and who sings it so that you know who I'm talking about. But so you can kind of mix and match and do several different titles. You've got Son, Christ, Messiah, Living, so some words that you can use again and again and again, even outside of this month's kit. Fun little speech bubble. This word say is a separate stamp from the speech bubble. So it is 2 separate stamps right here. That's just to save space on the stamp backer. A cute little owl and this fun little heart border piece there. I love the open font, so you can add some, watercolor, acrylic paints, Neocolor 2 crayons, color pencils. You can color that in and kind of, do some fun techniques with that open alpha there. Next up is the Word Fetty sheet of stickers. So these are cardstock stickers. You've got your Word Fetty up at the top here, all words and phrases that are going to coordinate with the devotional content. Of course, you got some super cute little owls, some speech bubbles. It'd be fun to take some smaller alphabet stamps, like I have these wood ones. I'll link an alternative down below, and kind of stamp out something into there would be super cute. Or just writing out your journaling, or even just writing out the verse or something in there would be fun. You've got some little branches, plenty of phrases, again, to mix and match. So whether you're a stamper or love stickers, you can mix and match that way. Some trees and snowflakes and question marks and hearts. They've really jam-packed the sticker sheet this month with a lot of different pieces and icons and shapes, which I'm excited about. It kind of gives you a lot of variety of this month. And then for the alpha, I'm probably not even going to be able to see this on camera because I try to have it pretty bright for you guys, but the alpha is just a plain white alpha. I'm trying to take this out so you can see the font. So I'm going to link a video down below where I show some plain white heart cardstock stickers from Creative Retreat Kits and some fun techniques that you can do to plain white alphas if you do want to dress them up. I love having a plain white alpha. It'll pop off darker backgrounds. So if you want to play with different paints and techniques and mediums like that, and lay down a wash of color and then put these on there and have that pop, you definitely can. Or you can customize these. They are a matte cardstock sticker, so you can color with markers or paints or watercolors or whatever you want over the top of these, and kind of customize them and then be able to have custom alphas. So I love that option. There's plenty of each letter. There's also some ampersands and punctuation mixed in there as well. So plenty of options. And then this month, instead of doing bow clips, we're getting a roll of washi in this fun heart metallic pattern. So it's this metallic silver on a white background. Look how shimmery that is. That is awesome. So this is a washi that you can definitely use, again and again and again. It isn't just unique to this kit. Great for holding over into February. If you're doing any kind of Valentine's Day projects or anything like that, you'll be able to use this in there as well. So I love that it's kind of a neutral washi that you can mix and match with other things that you're working on. So there is a look at everything that comes in the January Faith Art Box, Who Do You Say I Am, from Creative Retreat Kits. Be sure to be following them over on their YouTube channel. Myself, as well as some of the other ladies on the team, do post process videos throughout the month over there, so definitely check that out, as well as the blog. There's a whole another set of ladies who don't do videos and just do blog posts, so there's plenty of inspiration out there for you guys as we work through these kits. Again, those links are down below if you want to check out those sites or order the kit for yourself. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those down below for me. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to this channel if you're not already subscribed, and until next time, thank you so much. Bye-bye.